Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes, and check this beast out. It's a Ducati Hypermotard 939 Beast is what it is. 2016 on a 66 plate. It's only done 2,824 miles. Proper piece of kit of these. You get adjustable traction control, you get adjustable ABS, you get a few different power modes. Cracking bike to ride. They're super lightweight, they handle like they're on rails, they've got plenty of power. This one's got some gorgeous extras on it. It's got that full Termignoni exhaust system on it. It's got a tail tidy, bit of carbon there. When you come round to the front, it's got the carbon front mudguard, the carbon little screen on the front of it. You've got Brembo monobloc brakes, Evotech radiator guard. You've got these lovely hand guards as well. Plenty of R&G protection. You've got carbon there for the tank. Just a proper cool bike. Give it a quick fire up for you. Sounds unreal. So if you want to get it bought, it won't last for very long. It'll be sold very quickly. So if you do want it, get yourself down at Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.